Hi. Good morning, good afternoon. Standing Boy is back. Would you like to see another episode? Well, the show has been canceled. April Fools. We're back. I'm finishing up the attic room, just a couple little more touch-ups, and everything's going to be completed. Did you miss me? I know it's been pure insanity, but whatever. Why don't you have another drink? If you don't like it, don't watch it, because I love it. I watch them the next day in the morning when I'm sober, and they're beautiful. Sometimes I'm sober, and sometimes I'm not, but I think they're just wonderful, don't you? I apologize to my family for doing this, because they hate me for it, but I don't give a crap. April Fools. Show's been canceled. No, just lying. There we go. Here's the work that I've been doing. I did the built-in cabinets, replastered and painted all the walls. I did the flooring, did everything. It's wonderful in here. And of course, Will Rock is on. Because I love Will Rock. But again, I'm sorry, the show's been canceled. April Fools. Everyone have a happy April Fools. April Fools joke. Oh, well, wait a second. Maybe we should do something. Oh, well, maybe not. Well, we'll see what happens. Hi, good morning, good evening, and good night. How are you? Standing Boy is back. Are you excited to see him? Well, here we go again. You got the Blackhawks hat on again and the same goddamn shirt. And I washed it so it doesn't stink, but I still haven't gotten any paint on it. It looks really good, don't it? Woohoo! Woo! Like I said again, if you don't like it, don't watch it. Just give me a second. Just give me a 1 second. A little drink right here. I have to take a little drink. April Fools. I'm probably getting sick and tired of painting my face, but I guess that's what we're going to do, huh? Yeah, just paint my face. With the nose. It always looks good with the nose, don't it? Pure insanity. Like I said, if you don't like it, don't watch it. Oh, there we go. I made a big giant mud pie of joint compound. How does this look?
What would you like to hear today?
Oh, yeah. I love you. I miss you. It's pure insanity. Good morning, good evening, and good night. I hope you enjoyed April Fool's Day because I love you.